another game for you. This is, if you are a listener of Brains On, something you'll be familiar with. Yes, it's time for the mystery sound. That's something we do on our podcast every episode. We've got a bunch for you today. So get your listening ears ready. Are they ready? You listening? Okay. Here's the first mystery sound. Okay. I'm going to give you a little hint. That is a sound that I'm sure many of you are familiar with when you're looking for something you might be using for building. Can we hear it again? All right, what are your guesses? Say them, put them in the comments. Someone thinks a shower curtain. Very interesting. So when you're opening it, I can hear that, opening that. All right, the answer is rummaging through Legos. It's a very satisfying sound. Less satisfying if you step on one, but looking through is very fun. All right, let's hear the next mystery sound. All right, what do you hear there? It's a repetitive, kind of crunching sound. What could make that sound? Let's hear it again. Okay, what are you thinking? I think it sounds possibly like something eating, but what? You ready for the answer? It is horses eating hay. It's actually a horse named Lulu. One of our listeners sent to us. Well, good guesses. They're digging in a bag of chips. Definitely sounds like that. Wonder if the horse was not eating chips though, it was eating hay. Not as delicious for us, but delicious for the horse. All right, let's hear the next one. All right, so give you another hint before we hear it again. This one is something you use in the kitchen. Something anybody could use. It's very easy to use. I would call it fun to use. Let's hear it again. All right, what are your thoughts? You can put them in the comments if you like, shout it at the screen, whisper it to your friend, a parent, a sibling. Get those guesses in because we're about to reveal the answer. It is a salad spinner. Someone thought a keyboard. That's a good guess. Yeah, so this is a salad spinner. When you press down, it spins around and around, and it makes your lettuce or your greens drier. How lovely. Ooh, skateboard ramp. Nice guess. Bike chain, mixer. Oh, good ears, everybody. I love these guesses. All right, let's hear the next sound. I love this mystery sound because it is something that I'm sure everyone listening has used before, but you don't really pay attention to what it sounds like. This is a common thing. I'm sure you have it in your house. You might use it around the holidays, potentially, or for crafts. So let's hear it again. I love it. It's so good. What are you guys thinking? Oh, someone says tape. Good guess. All right. The answer is tape. Nice job. I love that sound. So next time you have some tape, you can make some music with it. Okay, let's hear the next sound. What do you think? I think it sounds, it's a tough one. I'll give you a hint. It is something you would see at the state fair. maybe even in your backyard or a neighbor's backyard potentially. Someone has guessed pig. It's an excellent guess. If you listen closely in this next one, you might even hear the answer. Oh, someone says chicken. Nice job. Let's hear it one more time. All right. Final guesses. Shout it at the screen. The answer is chickens. Nice work. I love chickens. I love to go to the Wild Rumpus bookstore and meet their chickens. All right. Ready for the next one. Okay, another sound that is probably familiar to many of you. But again, these sounds that we hear all day, every day, we don't pay as close attention to. So when we hear them in this setting where we can't see what's happening, it can be a little confusing. So this one I'm sure you've all used, maybe even today. Should we hear it again? Get those answers in. What do you think? Shout it at the screen, type it in. Someone says duck. That might have been for the last one. Are you ready for the answer? Oh, chopping up something. Nice. A zipper. Oh, you're really on the right track with zipper. Ready for the answer? Here it is. Yes, it is Velcro. So it's that grip, grip sound of Velcro. So zipper is another fastener. The Velcro is actually super cool. It's little hooks and loops, little tiny ones. It's very cool. You should look at what they look like under a microscope. You'll be amazed. All right, let's hear the next mystery sound. That one went by so quickly. I think we need to hear it again before we even get any clues. Okay, so this one, an outdoor activity. Although I suppose you could do it indoors, but it would need to be a very large space specifically made for this activity. I would advise wearing a helmet during it, maybe some elbow pads and knee pads. Let's hear it again. Okay, get those guesses in. Oh yeah, your cat's tongue feels like Velcro. Yes, cats' tongues are so cool. They have little hooks on their tongue, so it makes sense that it feels like Velcro. Oh, a skateboard, good guess. Scootering, another excellent guess. We're hearing wheels. All right, the answer is skateboard. That's a kid doing an ollie on his skateboard. Very cool. So an ollie is a cool trick. One of the first ones you learn when you start doing skateboarding. Any skateboarders out there? Let us know what tricks you can do. All right, let's hear the next sound.
Hi, my name is...
No, she almost gave away the answer. So these are all listener mystery sounds that have been sent to us, which are very exciting. If you have a mystery sound you want to send to us, you can do that at brainson.org/contact, and we play them on our show all the time. So that one, tapping. Excellent guess. Tapping what? Tapping. All right, should we hear it again? You can try to decide what's tapping. Bubble wrap. Oh, nice guess. Drum. Ping pong.
Hi, my name is...
So, any other guesses? Yell them at the screen. Tell us what you think. The answer is tap dancing. Any tap dancers out there today? That's where you have metal on the bottom of your shoes, and you can basically make your feet percussion instruments, which is so cool. So yeah, I can see why you would think it was a drum or bubble wrap. It makes a very excellent sound. Tap dancing it is. All right, let's hear the next sound. This is our final mystery sound to guess, so really let's turn those ears on really well. This one is one that was sent to us from a listener who lives in Alaska, although this is something that you could hear here in Minnesota as well. Want to hear it again? With dog barking. Good guess. Echo of a bird. Another good guess. We're definitely thinking it's an animal of some sort. Dog barking echo. The answer is a fox. That's the sound a fox makes. There's a song about that. What does the fox say? It says that. Nice work, everybody. Your ears are working so very well today. Very, very impressed. If you want more mystery sounds, we have so many on our website, brainson.org. We have episodes that we call Mystery Sound Extravaganzas, which are just mystery sounds. That's all that's in the episode. So if you go to brainson.org and search for Mystery Sound Extravaganza, you can play mystery sounds the rest of the day if you want.